All right, guys, you already seen what's on the menu today. You seen that title in the thumbnail. I'm gonna show you guys how to make these crispy chicken taquitos. They simple and quick. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over our greens real quick. We have some flour tortillas back here. You can also use corn tortillas. Right here, I have some rotisserie chicken shredded. Now you can use boneless chicken breasts, cook your own and shred it. That's totally up to you. I want this to be quick and easy. We have our cheese here, cup of salsa, chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, salt, smoked paprika, black pepper, and we have some sour cream there. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna take our chicken, we're gonna add it to our bowl here, like that. We're gonna take our cheese, add it. We're gonna add our sour cream, and we're gonna get this mixed in until it's well combined. All right, once we do that, now we're gonna go in with our dry seasoning. We have our garlic powder, smoked paprika, chili powder, black pepper, cumin, and salt. I'm gonna call a quick audible. I'm gonna add some red peppers here. I think this is going to add a little bit of texture to it. And we're gonna add our salsa. We're gonna go back in and get at a mix. Now guys, if you don't like sour cream, you can also use cream cheese if you want. I rather sour cream rather than cream cheese in this particular recipe. All right, so we're good now. We're gonna move this aside. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to hit our baking dish with a little cooking spray. We're gonna take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of our chicken mixture, roll it down the center, or put it down the center, like that. We're gonna roll these babies as tight as we can. And guys, I put these in the microwave to let them warm for a minute. And we're gonna put this baby just like that, seam side down, right here in our pan. Just like that, perfecto, all right? We're gonna go ahead and finish the remaining. I got about 10. We'll see if we can get 10 in there. At least 8 of them we're gonna try to get in there, all right? Now that we have our taquitos all rolled up, you can either fry them in about a 1/2 inch of oil over a medium-high heat and do it 2 to 3 minutes per side, or you can put them in the oven, which I'm gonna put them in the oven on 375 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown. So I'm gonna hit it with a little cooking spray on top. That's gonna help it get that brownish color on the top, all right? Let's go ahead and get that baby in the oven and we're gonna come back. You guys have been asking for this for a very long time. And I am so grateful for your support that my highly anticipated cookbook, Still Not a Chef, is available for pre-orders. It's relaxed, it's flavor forward, and it's made for people who just love good food. Pre-orders are open now, link in the description. All right, so this is what we have, about 15 minutes in the oven. As you guys always know, I poured an audible and I threw some cheese on the top during the last 5 minutes just to give it that extra touch to it, man. So now we're just gonna go in with a little green stuff. I'm gonna add some fresh chopped cilantro here. And there you have it, crispy chicken taquitos. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a real quick taste test. All right, guys, it's quality control time, man. We're gonna bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. Let me bring them up to the congregation before I start trying to pull one apart, man. I'm trying to pull these babies apart already. Let me go ahead and grab this one right here. Man, take a look at that, boy, that taquito there. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick taste. Oh man, now in the oven it's not as crispy as you would have fried it, but it's still good. Definitely a good party food. I like the flour tortilla, but you know what? This would have been better with the corn tortilla. Oh man, oh man. I can't stop eating them. Oh God. Add this one to your list. Until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace. Taquito, taquito, taquito.